This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 2018 Gold Rush autograph full-size helmet series 2 football 1 box break, eBay break on August 7th, 2018. I am going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Brannon-0 with the Redskins. M. Varner 2201 with the Texans, Chiefs, Vikings, Jets, Ravens, Raiders, and Steelers. Adayyannan with the 49ers. Scotty V with the Bills, Panthers, Rams, Giants, and Saints. Sam-Way 55 with the Packers. Crowbar 31 with the Lions. Brannon-0 also with the Broncos. Cowboys 0224 with the Cowboys. Ovaltine Jenkins 99 rocking the Browns. That's your full lineup. Okay. It is a rather large box here, so I'm going to do my best to get everything in on the camera here, guys. But, of course, there it is, your 2018 Gold Rush full-size helmet edition. And it is a sealed box. A sealed box there. All right. I am currently opening up the seal here, guys. All right. And your helmet is in here, of course. Your replica helmet. I will pull it out towards the camera here and then flip it up and get the box out of the way. Wow. These full-size helmets are awesome. I'm going to straighten it out in the box there. And I'm not going to get carried away with the plastic here because obviously I would like to leave the plastic on the helmet because it is sealed on there. Alright, but your JSA cert's right in there. Obviously it's going to the Cowboys. The autograph is on the top of the helmet here. I'm tipping it forward so you can see it. My man GB, what's up, buddy? I tell you what, these full-size autograph helmets are so sweet, man. That is a Charles Haley signed full-size Cowboys helmet, man. That is gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Charles Haley, full-size helmet coming your way from the Cowboys. Man, these full-size helmets are unbelievably awesome. Guys, I want to thank you so much for breaking, guys. It really means a lot. Of course, I'll stick around for a few minutes if anybody has any questions or needs anything. Please keep an eye on the website. We're going to have another nice week of breaks next week. Thank you again so much, guys. Really do appreciate it.